Hi, I'm Sonia, and thanks for checking out my workshop. Signing up for my new workshop, Love Being You, will help you get the upper hand on confidence, happiness, and personal success. Back in years gone by, and before I'd mastered my thoughts and my mindset, I'd often wake up dreading the day, panicking even quite often. Perhaps you sometimes have that anxious response too. I'd always be rushing around all day, being super busy, but never seeming to get done what I wanted to do. Do you do that? Back then, I confess, overindulge in wine to dull the pain of my frustration. Do you perhaps resort to too much television or shopping or Facebook or wine or naughty foods and other distractions just to, dull the pain of the frustration you feel? Do you sometimes ask yourself, how did I end up here? Why am I doing what I'm doing? Perhaps you always or often feel tired and worn out. Do you look at other people and wonder how they seem to have it all together? I know I did, I used to. Do you long for greater success in your career or business, or for a profitable sideline perhaps, or some way to, escape the 9 to 5, or maybe it's 7 to 7, who knows? But you just don't know how to go about it? Well, if you've thought or felt any of these things, I understand completely. That's why I've put together my Love Being You workshop to help you overcome these issues and gain greater calm and happiness and more personal success in your life. So just a bit about the workshop. There's no charge for this workshop. Why? Well, we're all going through a pretty rough time at the moment in one way or another, and I don't want money to be a barrier to you getting hold of this life-changing information that I want to share, that I've prepared for you. Also, it's the first time I've presented this particular workshop, so I'd love your feedback and suggestions and ideally some testimonials. This is an online workshop. You just need a device or a computer and an internet connection. The dates and times are on this page. It's one live 1 hour session once per week for 7 weeks. I'll provide everything you need to get great benefit out of attending. All you need to do is click on the click here to book button to register, and we'll send you the details you need by email. So what do you get out of it? Well, some of the benefits you'll take away with you are an understanding of how to defeat that thieving procrastination parasite. You'll have discovered what's robbing you of happiness, and we'll work through the 3 practices you can adopt to claim it back. You'll be armed with the techniques that most successful people use to start the day with vibrantly clear headspace. Knowledge of what to do to enjoy each and every day more will be something we will cover. I'll also help you with recognizing how to release the grasp that stress has on you. We'll also work on the necessary skills to have to dissolve anxiety so it reduces its grip on you and no longer rules your life if anxiety is something that you have an issue with. Now, if you're are struggling with unhelpful habits, perhaps an addiction to shopping or social media, or eating too much of the wrong foods, drinking, smoking, or other habits that are distressing to you and all those those who love you, I'll be helping you understand why they're controlling you and how to start releasing the grip that they have on you. That's pretty powerful stuff and life-changing. That's what I've managed to do for myself, and that's why I want to share it. My goal is also to help you with the confidence to go after more of what you want in your life. These are all benefits I've achieved for myself, and I'm very excited to share with you how I achieved them. So go to the click here to book button and register your details below. There are a limited number of spaces I can have on this course based on my webinar system, and because the course is free, I imagine they might go pretty quickly. So do go and register now. Finally, I'd like to say that participating in this course will set you on your path to greater mental clarity, inner calm, contentment, and confidence and happiness for the future. I really look forward to having you join me. Bye for now.